Today I'm going to show you something really cool. So I in front of me am doing the New York sim. I'm just going to do a game pass for the ESU. And one thing I want to do is I right here have Game Pass still in front of me. Now how do I get this Game Pass for? Well, we'll find out. Hope you guys subscribe, like, and share this video with others so they can learn how to make a Game Pass door or / VIP door. I'll be right back after the intro. Okay, so that was a pretty sick intro. I actually like that a lot. Okay, yeah. So how to get this Game Pass job? All you have to do is a few things you need to open. Right now we don't need properties to open. All we need to do is get 2 blocks out, and you're gonna go to so you'll be on models. You're gonna go to Roblox sets, and scroll down. Now, if you don't know what here, there's like weapons, vehicles, whatever. But game, and then you can get the Game Pass door, / VIP door, Game Pass VIP. So, but you can make it basically it's a Game Pass. So, what you want to do, you'll see that it that has this, right? So all I did was scale it, and scale it into a door. Now I'm gonna do just edit a teeny bit to look to my liking. Actually, I'm gonna do that after this tutorial because I don't want to spend my time doing this. So I love making videos for you, but I don't want to waste my time just decorating it because that's not what you guys came for. So what you're gonna do is then go to Roblox, go to develop or create. It's called create now over here, and you're gonna go and open the game here and make sure it is in create, and then go to create Game Pass. Now I already have a Game Pass that I have and that I want to do it, so I'm just gonna open it. I've already edited it and I've already put it on sale. So I will just change the description there and save it. So once you're done, there. So we have it, and then we're gonna save. It'll bring you here, and you press done. Now you're gonna copy the ID of the Game Pass ID, and then you're gonna go back to the studio, open it up, and now you're gonna open the properties tab. Make sure your VIP door has been selected. Close toolbox, and now you can right click on here. You can just go to view and add them and add explore. Now we're gonna make sure you're selecting on the Game Pass door, and then open it, and then open VIP door, the script, and click on Game Pass ID. Now, we're gonna go value, and we're gonna change it. We're gonna paste the code in, and press enter. Okay, so now that's all you need to do. First, then I'm gonna add, just very quickly, I'm gonna add, it's already anchored for you, so you don't need anything. You can go back to home, gonna go to toolbox, add a nice toolbox, go to that toolbox, add right there. And I'm gonna go here, models, and once I add this, I'm just gonna go to decals, and add dirt, and I can choose the one I want. So choose the door that you want. I'm just gonna do, let's see. Let's see what I want to do. I guess I'll just do something. Let's see. Okay, anyways, so pick a duo that you like. I don't particularly like this one, but I'm just gonna do it. No, I do not. Okay, so remember, pick a duo that you like. And you can also customize it if you want. I'll customize it with metal. And let's see. Doctor and Gray. Make it diamond plate. And I'm gonna add a handle as well. So yeah, so basically that's it. It's pretty easy, and to show you it works. 1 second. So I'm just gonna rotate this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want more tutorials like this, because I'm really happy, then just tell me as well, because I will be really happy to this, because I love doing these tutorials. So yeah, hopefully next time. Gonna scale this up to image. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you didn't, then still, if you could, please leave a like on this. Because it means a lot to me. When you do this, because I mean, wouldn't you like to get a like? I mean, I don't have. Anyways, enough talking about likes. I know. Subscribe, share, and yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe. That's all from me.